Let's give this Dollar Tree cutting board a little bit of fall pizzazz. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got these napkins at TJ Maxx. And friends, I spent a lot on them. So they're going to be a lot of projects. So we're going to try to get it down to one ply. And you see there, it was a pain in the neck. All you have to do is dampen your fingers, whether it's with a cloth or, you lick it, whatever. And watch, you just quick, open your fingers up and the ply comes off. Look at how cool that is. And then just obviously peel it off. Excuse me. And easy peasy. Now you want to these are a little bit higher end napkins. So the second layer is a little bit more adhered. So just be mindful taking that off. All right. So then I have a cutting board. And yes, friends, don't fight me on this. It says it's a cutting board. Don't use it as a cutting board. I don't care, whatever. So unwrap it and then you'll see one side is like nubby and then the other side is very smooth. We're going to be putting something on the smooth side. And we have little nubbies on the bottom. Those are like little feet. Easy to take off. I'm just using a little scraper and I'm just popping off the feet and putting them on the side. We're going to save them for later, okay? Awesome. All right, then we're going to take some rubbing alcohol and clean our cutting board. Okay, and then we're going to use some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Has to be dishwasher safe if you want to wash it. And I'm going to cover the smooth part of that cutting board. Perfect. And then once you get it all covered, I put, an average amount on. It wasn't super light, but it wasn't super thick either. Let it dry. Super easy. There we go. It's dry. Next, we're going to take our one ply napkin and you're going to put it right side down so that you're going to be, see, it's going to be wrong side up. And you're going to just figure out which, because the pattern on mine has, it's a repeating pattern, but I want to figure out which part I want to be shown. So just adjust it and then smooth it out. I have a piece of parchment paper and I have a iron and I'm just going to iron it. Now you'll see I'm moving that iron a lot because it's glass. We don't want it to shatter. So just keep your iron moving, but it adheres the napkin to the glass. Isn't that cool? Then I just sand off the edges. Easy, I know. And then I put another layer of Mod Podge. Now this is where, I didn't have any wrinkles before, but when I started doing this, it started to kind of, I want to say wrinkle up a little bit. It's not that big of a deal. You won't even be able to really notice it that much, but let that dry. Then I'm going to do another layer. And you can see as I'm doing it, see how there's just a little bit of puckers here and there. It's fine though. Before it's not quite dry yet, I put those little nubbies back on. You could use more glue if you wanted, but I didn't. And then there's that. And then let it dry fully. And then once it's fully dry, friends, I can't wait for you to see this. You ready? And stop it. Look at how pretty it is. It is like translucent and I love it. Now, here it is. You could use it as a cutting board or you could use it for decoration like I did with this little pumpkin that I made. Are you kidding me? Oh, I love it so much. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching and I hope this inspires you.